Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to anneal copper washers full guide. Heat washers evenly until a dull red color appears, then quench in water to soften. First, set up a safe workspace with gloves, eye protection, and tongs, and remove any oils or dirt from the washers. Use a torch with a steady flame and avoid overheating to prevent deformation. Cool, test flexibility, and repeat if needed for desired softness. Gather a propane or MAP torch, a steel plate or fire brick, metal tongs, and a water bucket before you start. Clean the washers to remove oil so heat transfers evenly and watch for surface color change from bright to dull red. Maintain a steady flame and heat each washer uniformly. After achieving the dull red, quickly quench to lock in softness, then inspect each washer for shape and flexibility. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps support the channel. Quick recommendation: I enjoy reading on the new Kindle Paperwhite for workshop breaks. It fits in a tool drawer and is perfect between projects. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to pick one up. Thanks for considering it. Now let's get back to the video. Place cleaned washers on the steel plate and apply a steady torch flame until each washer shows a dull red glow, indicating proper annealing temperature. Use tongs to lift each washer and drop it into the water bucket promptly to cool and soften the metal. Test flexibility after cooling, and if the washer is still stiff, repeat the heating and quenching process. Finish by wiping washers dry to prevent oxidation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.